Hello, Team Edebos. Welcome back. Today, I share with you how to make this simple spaghetti for lunch, and I hope you will love this one. Now, let's get started. Here I have fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, carrots, garlic. I'll be using just two onions here. I also have sardine, eggs, and then spaghetti. We will begin by prepping our vegetables. I'm going to dice my carrot. You can also decide to shred. Anyhow you want to chop your vegetables, you just go ahead and do it exactly the way you love it, okay? So my onions, I shredded some and also chopping some. I'll be using the chopped ones in my oil, okay? And also to my garlic, we are going to chop it finely. Now to my bell pepper, just like I said earlier, shred, chop, dice, like just prep it anyhow you like it, okay? And to my fresh tomatoes, I'm going to take out the seeds in it. We don't need that. And after that, I'll chop that one too. We are done here. In a pan and pour in oil. I'll go ahead, add my chopped onion, and then allow the onion to infuse its flavor in the oil. So here I give it a stir. Now I go ahead, add my garlic to it, and then I'll give it a stir, allow the garlic and then the onion to infuse their flavor in the oil. Now it's time to add our fresh tomatoes. I'll give it a stir again. Stew is all about stirring, okay? Yes, and I'm doing this on medium heat. Here I add chili powder, bell pepper, bay leaf, black pepper, rosemary, aniseeds, and then salt. I'll go ahead mix all together. Now I add my sardine, stir all to combine. I will allow it to cook for a while. Here I add water to it. Give it a stir and then taste to see if the salt is okay, and the salt is not okay, so I adjust it. I'll give it a stir and taste again. Now I will cover this and then bring it to a boil. At this point, we can go ahead and add our spaghetti. So I break mine into two. You don't need to break your spag into two, okay? But this is how I want mine. I'll give it a stir, cover, and then we allow it to cook. Whilst our spag is on fire, let's make some egg roll. In a bowl, I break in 4 eggs. Add fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, onion, and then salt. I'll go ahead, mix all together. Then I pour some into another bowl. Alright, in a pan, I pour in oil, grease my pan, and then pour in the egg. Here I roll it beautifully, just like what you're seeing on the screen, okay? Now we will toast both sides, okay? And ta-da! Our egg roll is ready, guys. So this is how the other side also looks. I'm going to divide this into smaller pieces. I'll first trim the edge and then divide it into smaller pieces. So take a close look. This looks very yummy and delicious. Now egg roll is ready. Back to our spaghetti. Here I add shredded onion, bell pepper, and then carrots. I'll then mix all together. At this point, my heat is low, okay? I will cover this and then allow it to simmer for about 3 minutes. And it's already 3 minutes. Ta-da! Lunch is ready. Have you ever eat from the same pot you used to cook? The taste and the feeling is different. You can give it a try. Hello there. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mariam. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. So to those who want it on plate, here you go. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.